Hey, it's Ethan from the Journal of Nonsense. I'm going to show you how to add multiple subscriptions to your account. If you don't have any subscriptions yet, go to thejournalofnonsense.com. And then when you're there, click subscribe, and then you'll get this screen right here. And you pick an amount of months. So let's just say 6 months, although 12 months is better. Proceed. And then you'll enter your email address, and you'll enter your delivery preferences and your payment method. And if you're buying this as a gift, you'll go over to buying as a gift, and you can choose continue until I cancel, which means it'll just renew every 6 months. You should do that. Or you can just, if you're doing a 6-month order, you just do 6 shipments or 12 shipments or however many you want, how many issues you want to gift. Then you would push save, and you enter all this information in here, and you push pay, and you'll get an email that said, hey, it worked. Now what you're going to do is you're going to come back into your account and order the other ones, and I'll show you how to do that right now. All right, you want to go back to thejournalofnonsense.com, and then you can just go subscribe today again, and it will give you these options. And now you're like, oh, I'd like to do 12 months. So you click on 12 months, and then you can just do it the same way. So if you're buying a gift, you can do 12 shipments, which means it won't renew again, just 1 year. And then you put in your gift message, I'm sending you nonsense. You save that. You'll push checkout. A new screen will come up. I'm going to blur a lot of this because it has my personal information, and that's my information. You need to get your own personal information, okay? You'll select delivery preference right here, and that'll you can add a new address by going down here where it says add a new address, and that will be the address for this subscription. And then you push pay, and then you'll get an email that says, oh, you did it, oh! And you'll be so excited, you'll go tell all of your friends. And you can just keep doing that for as many subscriptions as you want to add. I suggest doing 1,000 subscriptions. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. If you have any answers, let me know. Boy, I could use some answers. Am I right? Whoop! High five. Bye.